Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I designed my shoe and made my head wrap all so that my outfit can be complete. So stay tuned with me. I am Calista Star Beauty, dealing with head wraps and other beauty tips. So one of the first things you should be able to do is to be able to pick the appropriate colors for your outfit. Looking at my outfit, I decided to use this red as the background color and the Bamenda material, the cultural material, as a blend for it, because that is my main outfit. So I don't want it to be too much on my head again. And I've done this head wrap before. I am doing it again, so you know you can do it with whatever you want to do. Do this head wrap. It suits every occasion. All you need to do is to pick the right scarf for it. It is simple 1 minute head wrap style. Every beginner for short hair, on braids, whatever you want to do this head wrap and you will love it. Now we are going over to the shoe, and this is one dress that I had but was bad. I was not using it again. I burnt it when I was ironing it, so I couldn't use it, but I now went there and cut this piece of material. All I did is to tie it around my shoe, and I'll use super glue to glue that down so as to add beauty to my shoe and to make it look like what I have on. With this, my outfit is complete. It is very easy. By the way, do you know that each time my shoe have a problem, I use just this super glue to make it up? So you can always use this. These are little tips we all need as women, because like I said in my channel, we are going to be doing things. We must not necessarily spend money in everything. You can buy one and you do the other for yourself. Look at the outfit complete. I didn't do the back. The shoe mender or the shoemaker did the back for me, but the head wrap and the shoe, I did it myself. If you're still here, therefore you're enjoying the video, thank you so much for your time spent on this channel. Do not forget to like, comment and share, and also do not forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos. Do not hesitate to come back and click on my videos, because I have ideas that I want to share with you. Thank you for always being there. Love you. Bye bye.